Hello, my dear friends. Welcome back to Learn Gujarati. Today we learn some situation-based important sentences. In that, the very first is help. Help is equals મદદ. Then, call an ambulance is equals ambulance ને બોલાવો. I have been injured. મને વાગ્યું છે. Is there a hospital nearby? શું નજીકમાં કોઈ હોસ્પિટલ છે? I need a doctor. મારે ડોક્ટરની જરૂર છે. Please call the police. પોલીસને બોલાવો. My wallet has been stolen. મારું પાકીટ ચોરાઈ ગયું. Thank you, my dear friends, to watching the video, and to get more videos, subscribe my YouTube channel.